Hi everyone, it's Karen from tillycrafts.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me today, and as you can see, this is the new catalogue for January to April 23, and we also have Celebration 5th of January to the 28th of February 2023. So I can't show you inside until January. However, as a demonstrator, I was able to pre-order some stuff and I can show you those goods. And straight away when this come out, it was like, oh, purple's my favourite colour. So let's have a look in my unboxing of what we've got. Celebration means that if you spend £45 or multiples of £45 either in the mini catalogue or in the annual catalogue or a combination of both, you get a free thing out of here. And there's two different ones. You can either have a £45 one, which means you get one reward, so you can pick one thing out of the £45 section, or if you spend £90 you get two rewards and you can get a £90 item, and I'll show you some of those that I also got. So the first up is a sweet, whoa, look at all this. This is called I think it's the Country Lane Sweet, or floral, Country Lane Floral Sweet. I've not got to grips with the names yet. But you get a punch, which is absolutely lovely. It's a bit shiny, but this punches out the hearts. You can make flowers with them and all sorts of things. So I'm excited about that because I love a punch. This, it says, I love that we are friends, for you, I love you, with love, happy to Valentine's Day. Just wanted to say, doesn't have to just be Valentine's Day, there's lots you could do with this. I love the images, and that'll stamp, and you stamp that on top, and you've got all these. So can't wait to have a play with that. We also get some pastel adhesive backed sequins. Look at them, they're stunning. I love anything that sparkles. And also in here we get a real red and a burlap ribbon combo. So I'm going to keep these together, but they look really nice. So I'll be bringing you some projects with these, and this is the designer series paper. So this is Country Floral Lane. It's Balmy Blue, Mint Macaron, Mossy Meadow, Petal Pink and Sweet Sorbet. But we shall open it up and have a look. I keep meaning to open things before I come on, and I forget. I just get that excited. So let's take these out, if I can get them out. Whoops. So we have a heart design on one side, and that's got like the pinks in it, and a plain, it's got like hearts in it on that side. Then there's this one, the pinks and greens, and on the other side, we're very petal pink in this. It's very nice. Oh, look at the bikes. They're lovely. Like that. Oh, and that balmy blue's just divine. Yes, really like those. And again, flowers. And more balmy blue. I'm liking the little flowers. That heart one's nice. And I bet you can punch them out, you know, because that looks like the same shape. I bet you can punch them up, so we'll have to have a play with that when I like that. Very nice. Oh, and that's nice too. Oh, quite like all of these. Oh, look at the red with the hearts. Very nice. So that comes with it. And also in the suite, you also get 6x6 gingham papers. And again, these are Balmy Blue, Mint Macaron, Petal Pink and Sweet Sorbet. So I'm presuming you get 8 of each. Hang on. Can't get them out. Just take them out, Karen, it's easier. So let's have a look. So you get different designs on there. And that one's got the green on the back. Petal pink, and getting mixed up here. There we go, big checks. And this is little checks, and green. Very pastel colours, really like these. I know that's not pastel, but I do like that shade. So you get all that in the suite So I think it's quite a good bargain, that. So I'll bob that to one side. And whoops, it's just me throwing them on the floor again. I went a bit mad. So next up, there's this excellent Lucky Clover with a punch, a clover punch. Good luck, sending luck and love. A good friend is like a 4-leaf clover, hard to find and lucky to have. Really like this. I've been waiting for a good luck set to come out because I do leaving cards for people, and that's going to be brilliant. We've also got the best family ever, and look at this, mum, because we get these sets and it's usually mum because that's more American, but now we have a mum. Love it. So that's a brilliant one. I'll be using that lots. And this one I absolutely adore. Friendly Gnomes, because we had a gnome set in the winter catalogue. So, and I think the dies out of that fit some things on, fit the gnomes on here. But lovely, cutesy cards coming up with that. And then we have Something Fancy. So really like the scripts on this. Deepest Sympathy, You Matter to So Many. Grateful for the Everyday Magic. Happy birthday, congratulations, thank you. Here's to beautiful beginnings and happy's ever after. Nothing fancy, just love. May the good come back to you. I didn't forget your birthday. I'm just stretching out the celebration like that one. And oh, this, obviously, because it hasn't got any images, this is a suite. I didn't get the suite, but it comes with this two-tone flora, so that you get 2 stamp sets and 2 lots of dies in the suite. But I just wanted the stamp set and both the stamp sets with that. Might get the dies later on, but we'll see. But I'm looking forward to that. I've seen some lovely cards made with that up to now. And oh, also got this one, Best Day. So I like the little cat sat in the cupcake, and I like the happy birthday. So I'll be making some fab cards with that, and that is a red rubber stamp. I haven't told you if the red rubber or polymer, but you'll see them when I use them. Also, I don't know how I managed to order so many stamp sets. Easter Bunny, love this, and it comes with a punch. There's actually 4 new punches, and the other one wasn't available when I ordered it, so that'll be on my next order. But loving the bunnies on this. Can't wait to have a play with that one too for some Easter cards. What else did I order? I got these adhesive back Milky Dots. Love them. Lovely colours. These are like a very pale, they're a pink. I think they're Night of Navy, and I don't know what colour that is. I'd have to have a look. It doesn't say on the back. And I also got this ribbon, this navy ribbon. That looks really nice. Night of Navy bordered ribbon, because it's got like a dark border to it. So I've got those 2. I'm saving. I've got some celebration stuff, and I want to show you that at the end. And I also got Memories and More pack. I like the look of it. I love these. They're good for scrapbooking and making journals. Enjoy the adventure, Memories and More. So you get lots of cards, you get stickers, all sorts of things in these, and they're great. You can use them to make cards with as well, but I like them for, like I say, for scrapbooking or making little journals. So these are going to be fab. So I think you get 2 cards of each, and they're double-sided. So you're wishing you the best this world has to offer. Thank you so much. So one side is like plainer, that you can write things or stick things on, and then, well, some of them are quite plain. The best part, enjoy the adventure. Yay! So there's lots of them, so you'll see me use some of those as well. Keep those there. And then I think that was everything I ordered out the catalogue. So then for my celebration, oh, I got a host set as well at the pond. So don't normally go for stamp sets like this, but I'm going to be making a couple of cards with that, so that'll be funny. You have to spend so much to be able to buy the host set, or you can host a party and get it as a gift. But like, yeah, we'll see what that turns out like. So in celebration for one of my £45 spends, I got the adorable owls. Aren't they just the cutest? So I got that one. Then for a £90 spend, I got this. Beautifully Happy. Love the fonts on these. So you've got You Are Easy to Love, Thank You, Kindness Matters, A Very Happy Birthday, Sending Happy Thoughts, For a Feeling Better Kind of Day. And it's a two-step stamp, so you stamp that and then you stamp these on top. They've got dottage and a little bee, so they look great. For my next one, I actually got this. Love this paper. Dainty Flowers Designer Series paper. Now, there is a stamp set in the catalogue. This is in Celebration, so it'll only last as long as Celebration. But there is a stamp set that goes with this. However, I didn't get it this time, so that'll probably be on my next order. But look at this paper. This is my kind of paper. It is absolutely gorgeous. Love the little flowers. And look at the back. That is amazing. And that, straight away, cut in half, make some cards with it. But then the back, I'm glad this is a plainer kind of thing, because I'll use this more than I'd use that. So I'm happy about that. I get 2 sheets of that. Same again with these. Ovals, cut them up, make them into cards, use an oval die, put a sentiment in the middle, and look again at the back. Oh, gorgeous. And my colours too, very me papers. I even like this one. I think this is lovely. Oh, and that. So I'm going to be torn between that and that, because that is one of my colours. Beautiful. I didn't even tell you what colours are in it, did I? This must be one of my favourites. Gorgeous. And look at the back of that. That's even lovelier. Oh, I'm going to be spoilt for choice. I'm going to have to hopefully be able to get some more of this paper. Look at that. Beautiful. Right, let's just see what it says. So you get, it's 12 by 12. Oh, let's have a look. Blushing Bride, Crushed Curry, Fresh Freesia, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Rich Razzleberry, and Starry Sky. Excellent papers, Stampin' Up. Well done you. I wish that was in the main catalogue. I'd be buying loads. And last but not least, we have, these are called Dandy Designs, and this was in Celebration as well. And it's 12 by 12, but there's 48 sheets of this. So I'll probably be sharing this with a few people, because there's just far too many for me myself. And we like to spread the love. So let's have a look at these. So I've got a feeling that these will have a bit of everything to go with all sorts of different things. So let's see. Oh, yeah, you get 4 sheets of each. So you have that and that, which is very nice. That's a plain, oh, that's quite nice on the other side. So you've got like petal pink and stripy zigzags. Yes, I'm liking these. Dots. And checkers. I like these colours. They are very nice. Oh, this must be my favourite up to now. Look at that. Stunning. I think I'll be doing a like a 12 by 12 one sheet wonder with all these. Oh, look at that as well. Beautiful. That's nice too. That's Unique So Coral. Even that's quite nice. Why do I think everything's nice? Bit bright for me, that one, but it'll still make a nice card. Or a bag even. Could make bags with these. And then we have that one. That's nice as well. Like that. Very nice. Dots. and stripes. I'm glad that these are quite plain, because they're great for backgrounds for cards, you know, for card like on your base. So your layer, they'll make brilliant backgrounds, and then putting your image on the front. Oh, nice stripes. Oh, look at that on the other side. They've done really well with these. I do like them. Very nice. Oh, and this one, that's the same as that other one where it was pinks. So this is like greens and blues. And green on that side, and that's it. How fabulous is all of that? And it's free. I know you've got to spend money to get it, but look how much you're getting. 48 sheets of 12 by 12. Oh, put that down. And I also got, these aren't in the catalogue, these were in the sale. And ombre speciality paper, and I do believe it is, let's have a look, I can't resist the bargain. So yes, look at these colours, gorgeous. So I think that's Poppy Parade, either Daffodil Delight or Crushed Curry. I want to say Night of Navy and Gorgeous Grape. I might be wrong, but I don't care. They're so glittery and shiny. Love them. And then also in the sale, I treated myself to some grid paper. I don't know what this was. There we go. So this is the in-colour grid paper. I didn't cut it when it came out, but when I spotted it in the sale, I thought, oh, I need to have some of this. Are you ready? This is the old in colours. Oh, nice. And it's double-sided as well. So you've got your centimetres on here and your inches on this side. So thought I'd have a bit of that, seeing as it was in the sale. So thank you very much. Thank you for joining me. Look out for some new videos coming out with the new products, and hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.